Hello everyone, so another day and another viral AI deepfake app. This time it is called Wombo.ai. So basically you upload your selfie and then you choose a super popular song and you make a video from your selfie. So your selfie, which you can just take in the app, or you can upload a photo of your friend or your photo, and this photo is just start singing, and it's super fun GIF which you can just share with your friends, which you can download to your phone. You can share on Snapchat, TikTok, and all of that. So super fun app. You can use it for free. Just if you want a bit more like faster processing times, you can upgrade, and then you can have like 3-day free trial. So I talk about all of it in my quick video overview. Enjoy. So here is Wombo app. It's a free app. You can download it for free, and then you can basically lip sync your selfies to favorite songs, or you can lip sync any other photos. So let's just go through. Super easy to use. So here's how it looks like. No need of subscription or anything. So let's just take a selfie. So you need to hold the camera at eye level and look directly in the camera without your teeth showing. So something like that. You can also upload your photos and you can change the camera direction in the bottom right. And then you can just press this green button here. And then the process is that you just select any of these songs. So there is only this collection of the songs. That's it at the moment. I think they're adding more. And then when you select the song, you just tap this green button, and then your Wombo will be created. It will take some time. If you want a faster processing time, you will need to upgrade. So some Wombos are taking like going really fast, and for others you literally need to wait for like minutes. So that's a bit downside of the app. So yeah, something like I won't be playing because there's some music. But you got, so like the quality is kind of fine. It's great. It's just if you want to make a prank of yourself or just prank your friends or colleagues, it will work just fine. And here are all the melodies. So yeah, I'll just show you the screen. So this is the AI generated like video. Maybe it's not the best screenshot, but anyways, then you can just save the Wombo or send Wombo to a friend. Just share it on social, Instagram, Snapchat in the bottom. And yeah, so that's how it works. Also in top right, you can upgrade to premium. And why would you need that? Obviously, first of all, of course, because of priority processing. So yeah, you can get your Wombo faster. So that's the best feature, because as I said, like if you're on a free plan, it can sometimes literally take you minutes until the Wombo is ready. Then you have no ads, and then you can contact support. And then there is monthly plan, and then there is annual plan. Annual plan has like a 3-day free trial, and then you can just tap buy, and then you will need to upgrade with a App Store subscription. So let's see. Okay, this is just like a help section. So Wombo is the world's best AI-powered lip sync app. Tap a selfie, take a selfie, pick a song, and let the Wombo's powerful deepfake AI handle the rest. You can always reach out to their support at Hello Wombo.ai, and you can follow them on Discord, Twitter, Instagram. So yeah, anyways, when you upgraded through App Store, in case you don't know, to cancel the subscription, you need to go to App Store app and go to your subscriptions, and then from here you can just go to the Wombo app and tap delete subscription in the bottom, or you can do it from settings app. Just from go to your iCloud menu, and again you will have the option of subscriptions, and then cancel the Wombo subscription. So that's how to cancel, in case you don't know, in case you just tried it out sorry, in case you just tried it out for 1 month and then you don't know. So the selection of the songs is this at the moment. I think that they will add definitely more songs, but at the moment these are just like super funny hits. And yep, so this is the app, and of course you can upload photos. If you tap in the bottom left here, you can just upload the photos. You can change also like the camera direction just by tapping the bottom right button. And again, the Wombo works better without your teeth showing. The AI algorithm will be used to add like teeth and stuff like that. So that's basically the app. You don't need to create an account. It's a free app. There is no subscription needed. Again, in a free app, the one like, if you're talking about pros and cons, the one like minus thing is that it just takes some time. Like it can take like minutes of the time until your Wombo is ready. But anyways, this app is currently in the top charts of US App Store, and a lot of these AI deep fake apps are super hot right now. So if you're talking about My Heritage app or Talking Heads app, so these are kind of similar apps as well, where you can just upload your photos and make them move. So that's that. I guess that's about it. That's basically the app. The cool thing, of course, that you can share all these like photos with your friends. You can save them to your device. You can upload them as your stories on Snapchat, Instagram. You can share them on TikTok, anywhere you want. And you don't need a paid account to do that. Again, if you have any additional questions, you can email them at hello@wombo.ai. And then, if you're using the songs, you just checked out the copyright policy. I don't know exactly how that would work with social media. So just, because these are some like popular songs, so I'm just not sure about the issues there. Anyways, hope it was helpful, guys. So like and subscribe. Visit mrhack.io on the web. Just push that like button. It's super easy for you. I just want more and more people to see this video and enjoy this really cool app. Thanks again, and see you in the next videos.